Dear children, this week we will do birthday cake. First, put box margin 4 sides. Then down itself you have to draw a simply box. Leave gap little and then draw a box like this. Then you put a oval shape. Don't close the oval shape. Here itself you have to leave it. Next, another one box. Next, it should come out like a oval shape. Same. Down we done it, no? The same cake. Like that it will come. Next, another one box. Small one. Here also oval shape will come. Then down you put 2 parallel lines like this, 2 parallel line. Then here also one second cake we draw, no? There are again another one line. Here also the same line. Next, in this line follow the oval shape line. You have to put like this, like a zigzag, up and down, small, big, like that. You can change and give. No need to same do the big and small, like second cake also. Like this you have to put, like a zigzag. Then after doing like this, here you can draw a candle. How many candles you need, you can do. I am doing 5 candles. And then small line, each and every candle. Then small oval shape, like a candle line. Simple, small. After finishing this cake, we move on to the top. We draw, no, the 4th side margin. There you put like this, like a U shape. How much need, that much you can do. I done it 4. After that you have to put small triangle like a color paper. We have to draw like this, small triangle. Birthday party and all we have to draw like this, no? We are decorating with the color papers. That we have to draw like a zigzag. The zigzag color paper. See, put one straight lines in each and every corner shape. We have to draw a balloon. Whatever shape you like, you can do. Like a circle balloon. And then here put small triangle like this. Small oval shape also in this part. And we have to tie it each and everything like this. Next, like this. If you want to oval shape and all, you can put oval shape only. Small triangle, and you have to, in mouth itself, small circle you have to put. Like a same 3 sides you have to put now balloon over. Now after finishing the pencil drawing, now we can use the sketches. For cake outline, I am using brown sketch. Curve and all like this. The sharp and all you have to bend it lightly. Then this zigzag you have to put like a scallop. This is not sharp zigzag, blended one. and you have to join this one here. Lightly you have to put a brown sketch in this one. Next put like this, up and down. No need to equal, one is up and down, one is down, you can do. After last one cake. Next, each and every candle middle put simple line. Don't draw in the candle top. Okay. After that, in this candle, draw a pink color. Fully you have to fill it with a pink sketch. Each and every candle like that. If you need another, you can change the color. After finishing the pink color, draw this line also with the brown sketch. This brown line you should not touch in the oval shape line. After that, each and every candle like a thread, it should come on brown color. Next, this light will be come on orange color. With the sketch itself you can fill it. After finishing the cake outline, finish that. We decorated now with the color paper. That one you have to use the blue sketch and do the outline with the blue sketch, the rope and all. Next, each and every that triangle shape we done it now like a paper. That one 1:1. Don't fill it with both continuously. 1:1 you have to fill it with a blue sketch. After finishing the blue color, next alternatively we leave some gap in the middle. That one we have to fill it in the orange color. Alternatively. Rope you have to use light brown color. Then whatever color you like you can use it. I am using red. Each and every middle balloon I am using red. Side balloons I am using green color. Use the balloon first. After that, see like the small triangle and cover it. Small triangle like this. After finishing the balloon, put like this line. If you need another, you can put circles, straight lines like this also you can do. After finishing with sketch line, you have to erase the pencil lines, extra lines. After erasing the pencil line, the balloon inside we can give crayons coloring. Whatever color you can give, I gave red outside, that only inside I am giving light green. Each and every red balloon like that. For green balloon, I am giving pink. Now in the cake color, in this we put parallel line on each and every cake. This part only give yellow color. In the zigzag we put no that and then brown. It should not come out of the line. This place only give brown color, like a chocolate cream. All the step cake you have to give the same brown color. After finishing the brown color, in this cake top side you have to give whatever color, your favorite color, that you can give. Light color only. Why under the down we are given brown, that only here and all we are giving light colors. And here also each and every top of the cake we have to give the same color. After finishing this color, here and all you can give peach. Your favorite color also you can give. Cake each and every part you have to give the peach color, like a creamy based colors. After finishing the cake, outside you can give the background colors. Giving yellow, if you need and all, if you change the cake color and all, you can change the background color also. Like this light color you have to give for the background. Now we finish the birthday cake. Thank you children. Have a nice day.